Insulation Class TGGT is an industrial-grade insulation system for electrical wire, designed to withstand high temperatures in industrial oven heating applications. It is recognized by the National Electrical Manufacturers Association, also known as NEMA, and the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, also known as IEE. Some of its characteristics include a temperature rating of 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit continuous. It is rated for dry or moist environments. It has high dielectric strength. It has good abrasion resistance and a long service life. The typical construction of type TGGT insulated wire includes firstly the conductor. The conductor is either solid or stranded copper. Secondly, the insulation. The insulation is multiple layers of fiberglass, micro-reinforced tape. Thirdly, the outer jacket, consisting of silicone rubber or a heat-resistant compound. Type TGGT insulated wire is commonly used in industrial ovens, heat tracing, flexible heaters, furnace wiring, and aerospace applications involving high temperatures. The advantages of using TGGT wire include excellent electrical properties, high temperature resistance, durability and flexibility, and suitability for harsh industrial environments. Some disadvantages of using TGGT wire include it being more expensive than other insulation types, and may be less flexible than lower temperature rated wire. TGGT insulation is equivalent to the following insulation classes. Underwriters Laboratories, also known as UL 1441 American wire gauge, also known as AWG 18-10, it is equivalent to TW or HW-2. Underwriters Laboratories 1441 American wire gauge 8-2, it is equivalent to THW. Canadian Standards Association, also known as CSA, C22.2 number 21, it is equivalent to RUH. It is important to use the correct insulation class for the specific application to ensure safety and performance. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical engineer when selecting wire insulation.